Waiting again from McAlorum, misses one out, goes to the right-hand side. May with a grubber kick forward in towards the area, and it looks as though they're back in front again. Catalan Dragons with Tom Davis touching the ball down, but once again we go down to the right-hand side. I think the physio's actually taken the boot off the pitch. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, because Tyrone May has dabbed the ball down. It looked as though the Lee defence for a moment there was static, but Tyrone May has taken the advantage, and the Dragons have got another try.
I know you said it might, it doesn't.
10 metres short of the line, they're knocking on the door, but it's not being answered at the moment until Pearce drops one through. Pearce, Mitchell Pearce for the Catalan Dragons, and straight away, no surprise.
Well, Catalan might have missed 9 tackles, but
the Dragons with Mitchell Pearce. Drinkwater quickly up on May, but May gets away from him, and then May puts the kick in. It's a lovely kick, and Ikevalu does get the try this time. Tyrone May with the kick, Matt Ikevalu following up. Liam Moore reckons it's a try. It's another decision for the middle of the field. Da Costa, here is Pearce now, a little burst of pace from Pearce. Oh, lovely hands, finds Ikevalu. Ikevalu finds Davis. Davis back on the inside, and Pearce will get another Catalan Dragons try. That was great work from the Catalan Dragons, and no doubt about that one. Ikevalu at the thick of it again, and Mitchell Pearce is just